How you just guess my bank? Oh, this is a testing video. Oh, you're fucking wrong about that. Because this something right here got put up right here. The test without the boards on it is working just fine, right? No problems. All 3 speeds work. This and that, yeah. Well, sensors was broken. It wasn't him, but it was just freaking spinning. I guess I smelled too much, seeing if I could time it by spinning. Well, after I put the boys on, plug in, pull chain, it's just sparked so bad. I'm surprised it didn't trip the button. So yeah, it's getting smashed right here. So I ain't putting it nowhere else. I'm gonna try not to be Wi-Fi here, and I'm probably not gonna write the more down. I'm gonna be really Wi-Fi on this fucking electrical box. I'm not even gonna attempt to plug in, so don't ask about that. So let's get it. How about fucking sumo bad either? Which is really fucked up in here, so. You fucking dirty ass whore. Fucking whore. Fuck on me like that, you fucking dirty ass bitch. So I'm trying not to hit my son too much. Damn. I should try to hit. I'm gonna be too losing it. Nothing. Come on. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Don't we? I don't hit this glow button either. I don't like how loud this bad is, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, no. I'm gonna try not to use that too much. Go, cause what? Why you? Oh, damn! There we go. That's shut everybody. Apparently, smacking in. They been. That's interesting. There. Good job. Ready the fuck up, bitch. This one's playing most boring in one year, but so I don't want to get too noisy. Haha! And playing the bad too. Oh! One hit with the fucking hit, right? Yeah. Oh, give one hit with my fucking hand. That's thing you don't want to fucking do. Bitch. Yeah. See what happens? Get fucked. There you go. That's so weird. The snap it right here, right? Don't bend as much. See? But if you take it, it'll work. But if you take it, you smack it right here in. Look how easy. Yeah. It's so weird. Luckily I'm all stuff. You just go around. It's definitely really short destruction. The fuck? I'm going to shoot off of it, but whatever. There. How's the camera working? Alright. I'm gonna hit that. Let's go over here. Alright. Break off. I did not say fall on a fucking table. Whore. Damn. Piece of fuck ass. Alright. Let's go close this clothing. Whoa. Chill, daddy, chill. Around the world, 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 around the world. Around the world, around the world. Around the world backwards, around the world backwards, around the world backwards, around the world backwards. Yeah, I'm making a song up. Alright. There you go. Pussies. Pussies. And what? I don't mind listening to Smash. It's all Western shit, so it's just not. Not redempted. There is now. Oh, this somehow fell out. Oh. That's what flew off. Okay. Alright, well, here's what I'm gonna do. To get all my mic off in here is a lot of shit, and this is a testimony. I'm not being kickbox, I don't want to fuck up, so. I can't cut the video because I don't know how to go at editing the shit. This is gonna take very long. You know, long school to school and disconnect the wires. And they'll at least be good. Alright, disconnect the wires. I don't want to get the wires on this because I don't want to fuck up the wire box. So, alright. Sound on fast as I can. Now it's gonna get 2 ground wires. So it's because it doesn't let come into the box. Yeah, it's pissed me off to saying sparked right there because I spent time to put up testing. Fuck you. Oh, fuck you, right? Oh, yeah. Yes! Alright, guys. That does it. I don't want to be too loud, so. Yeah. Don't worry though. If there's not spam, it's just short. Y'all punch you. Bonjour. Yeah. I hope enjoying this video. Like, share, subscribe. Alright, bullshit. Goodbye.